Hey Mark, how you doing? I just got this email trying to find a billing department.
Yes, sir. How can I help you?
Yes. Charges $417. Kind of trying to cancel it. The Geek Squad subscription.
All right. So you want to cancel that subscription and claim back your refund, right? Sorry.
Yeah.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can hear you.
Do you hear him?
Why are you talking so god?
Because I can't understand you.
What did you say?
Thank you for calling Geek Squad, sir. My name is Alex. How may I assist you?
You're really quiet, Alex. I'm sorry, that's my lover. We got a thing going on here and an invoice. Can you speak to this here? I didn't order this geeky, squeaky, hackers tiramisu over here.